This air compression leg massager with heat is my absolute favorite device I have ever used. It is so simple and so fun to be able to get some work done on my legs. I am a long distance runner, but I know this is also great for people like my mother who has leg pain, knee pain, arthritis. It's a great therapy device to be able to provide additional support that your legs need. Now let me show you up close the remote before I get this thing going. You're able to just simply turn it on like that, just one press of a button, and you're able to change the mode to get specific type of massage, a pinching, a press, specific to the foot, calf, or thigh, all from the mode button, or leave it on auto and it'll do everything. You can change the heat. I personally love it on high heat, but you can also have it on low or off all the way. And then also strength, minimum, middle, or max. I like it all the way, high, maximum, auto. That's how I like my leg massage. But what it's doing is providing air compression, which is what is providing the massage for you. So this gets your entire foot, and it's easy to just zip up and down all the way to the end to be able to get your whole leg in there. Pretty much anyone, any size can fit in here, and it's great. The compression will be able to get your legs, whether you have really small legs or bigger legs, it can still fit in here, and you can adjust the strength of it to fit what your needs are. But it's going to compress and massage from your foot, ankle, calves, thighs, all the way up here. And it's even indicated right and left, so you know which side goes where. And right now, I've only had it on for less than a minute, and it is some high pressure compression. And then once it gets to the peak, it'll kind of go off, and then it'll compress, and it'll be more and less compression. So this is a really, really, really amazing way to get some much needed massage for your legs. Helps to improve blood circulation, which is going to help to have a speedier recovery from pain or arthritis, and just help with overall leg health. Highly, highly recommend this. Give it a try. Thank you to the brand for providing this for me.